This is our quick fix video for tight hip flexors. So whether you've been sitting at the office all day or you're behind that group of 6 that just can't hit the fairway, we all get tight hip flexors. The problem with that is it creates a lot of swing inconsistencies and it's a leading cause of back pain in golfers. Let me explain. When you are upright, your feet are locked to the ground. You can't flex your hips up. So what tends to happen is it pulls your pelvis forward. When your pelvis gets pulled forward, you tend to compensate by overextending your low back. That's going to create a lot of tightness, a lot of compression, and can contribute to a lot of back pain. So the other problem is some of your hip flexors, like the tensor fasciae lata, are also internal rotators of the hip. So when they are tight, not only do they tilt the pelvis forward, they internally rotate your hip. And as you know, in your backswing, your trail hip, you need to be able to internally rotate. And in your lead hip, on the downswing and follow through, you have to internally rotate. And if you've run out of room because those muscles are so tight, you're going to compensate somewhere else. So when you stand up and you feel these hip flexors are rock hard, you're probably not just going to be able to stretch those out because it's much stiffer than the surrounding tissues. What you need is some self-myofascial release. Now, you don't have your foam roller and you probably don't have your massage gun on the golf course, but you can use the shaft of one of your irons as a scraping tool. So since these muscles are hip flexors and internal rotators, in order to release the tissue, we want to go the opposite direction. So I want you to start with your hip and extension, do a little bit of a pelvic tuck, and then turn your toes out. And then just rub it with the shaft of your iron. It only takes about 10 or 15 seconds to feel the relief. It'll take a lot of tension off your back, it'll open up your hip, and you will play a lot better golf. Again, this is just a quick fix. If you want to fix this permanently, give us a shout. We'll get you into the office, do a full evaluation, find out the cause of your hip flexor tightness, and come up with a solution to fix it permanently. Click like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.